Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We're going to be playing around with Colourpop's new brow collection. They sent every product over for me to try out and share with you guys. So that's what we're going to do today. I wanted to mention that my eyebrows, I always mention it, but they are both different shapes. I have this one that grows up, and then this one is just like sad. So it kind of like just like goes that way. I want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I can never get my eyebrows to look the same no matter what I do. It's just they look similar, they look related, but they cannot look identical. So we're gonna play around with, let's see, we have a couple of new, I think all of this collection is brand new. So we have the Feathered Effect brow brush. It comes in a little box like this one here. And this is what the brush looks like. It is angled so that you're able to kind of like push your eyebrows in place. Feather eyebrows are pretty popular, but there's many people that do not like that style. And you know what? To each their own. If there's people out there that enjoy this style, including myself, then let them. Like, if it's not hurting you, why feel the need to comment and say, oh my god, I can't wait for this brow style to be over? Just thought I should mention that. We have the Feathered Effect Styling Wax. So this is kind of like a wax. It's going to help keep your eyebrow hairs in place. I used to use soap. I do have a tutorial up above how to do your eyebrows with soap. But they're starting to come out with more products that are similar to it, so you're not actually like carrying around a thing of soap, because if you just leave it around, it's gonna get a lot of bacteria. And this one here is contained. This is what this one looks like. This is a clear Feather Effect Styling Wax, and I do believe that they have a colored one. It's a tinted eyebrow wax. So there's only two waxes, which is the clear one and this tinted one. This one is in the color, well, it's just tinted. Same thing, except that it's brown. So I'm kind of unsure. Maybe I should do one of each and kind of see how that works. I wonder if it's going to get onto my skin, because if I'm using that with the brush, is it going to get onto my skin? We'll see. And then let's move it along to, what is this? I guess we have 3 brow pencils that they sent over. I'm not sure if there's going to be more shades, but the shades that I received is called Cool Cocoa. And this is what the pencil looks like. It has a spoolie on one end, and the pencil, yeah, you can twist the product out. And yeah, it kind of reminds me of the Precisely Brow Pencil from Benefit. So it's going to give you that like a really nice natural looking eyebrow. But yeah, this one here is in the color Cool Cocoa. I also received the color Brunette, and I have the color Dark Brown. Let me get these swatched so that you guys can see which one is which. I thought it was cute to have like my hair sides just coming down, but it didn't look cute, so I just tucked it back. Anyway, I was gonna show you guys the swatches. I wanted to mention that they don't glide on super easily, and I like that because it gives you more of that natural look. Because if they are too pigmented and they glide on too smoothly, they're probably going to glide off of your eyebrows super fast. So I love the formula of these. Here, let's see, this one right here is called Dark Brown. This one here is called Brunette. And I'm going to swatch the next one with you guys so you guys can see how it applies on. This one is in the color Cool Cocoa. Okay, so here is Cool Cocoa. Oh, this one actually glided on a lot easier than the other one. But yeah, this one is Cool Cocoa. And by looking at my hair, I think I'm going to go with Cool Cocoa. It's more my color, because my hair is kind of like on the black side. Like, at least my roots are, because my ends are a whole nother story. So we're going to go ahead and jump into a little tutorial using these products. I'm going to take you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how I transform these eyebrows here to these over here. Quite a transformation. So let's go ahead and jump right in.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, instead of alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't be.
Okay, I'm going to be reading the directions. It says you activate the formula with a drop of setting mist or water. I'm going to be doing one eyebrow with each product because we have the tinted and we also have the clear one, and I just want to see which one I like best. And you also get an idea of which one maybe works best for you. I'm going to be using the Derma E Hydrating Mist to activate my wax. And I'm going to be playing around. Let's go in with the tinted one first because I'm really curious about that one. So I'm going to spray. Okay, and I'm going to go into the brush as well. Let me see what the consistency is first. Okay. It does have a cute little mirror, so let's see if it actually helps out. We're going to go ahead and push the eyebrows up. I kind of need some more of the spray. It's not really holding. Maybe that's just me though. I'm not really noticing a huge difference with this wax being tinted. Like, I'm not noticing it. I was worried that it was gonna get onto my skin because when you're using waxes, sometimes you have to like push the hairs into place with your finger, and you don't want a tinted wax to do that. I mean, I guess I'm noticing a difference. It's not a huge difference. It's not really flattening out onto my skin opposed to using a brow soap. So is it supposed to do that? I think a wax is supposed to do that. Let me read. Tame and shape your brows with our new innovative brow shaping wax, formulated to provide strong yet flexible hold for all-day wear with growth peptides to nourish and condition your eyebrows. So yeah, it's supposed to like shape your eyebrows and keep them into place, but it's not really staying. I mean, this side you guys can definitely see that they flattened out quite a bit, and they do look a little bit more flattened onto my skin, and that's what you want when you're creating like a fluffy feathered brow. So I'm gonna just leave this as is. Use your finger to flatten them out a little bit more. And like I said, I'm going to be using the color Cool Cocoa today because this one I feel like matches my hair color the best. And I'm just beginning to apply this in the areas where it's not as full, like where I don't have as much hair. And I'm going to begin to shape the eyebrow underneath before moving forward anywhere else. And then very lightly begin to fill in. I definitely do really like this color in eyebrow pencil. And you guys can already see the difference. This one already looks a lot more fuller, and I really like it. I wish that they did launch a highlighter for underneath the eyebrow though, because that would have been a complete collection, you know? But we're gonna go into our Colourpop concealer just to clean up and carve out the eyebrows. I'm gonna use a shade closest to my skin color, and this one here is in the color Medium 105N, and this is the Pretty Fresh Colourpop concealer. Why you gotta be so mean? Have you guys heard that song from Taylor Swift? Why you gotta be so mean and pathetic and a liar? Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking here so that I can just focus. Oh shit, I got it too much up there. We're gonna go back in with the brow pencil and just kind of fix that little issue there. It was coming out so perfect and I messed up. Here are what the eyebrows are looking like now, over on this side at least. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next eyebrow, and I really don't think that there's gonna be a huge difference with the cleared feather effect styling wax. So I'm just gonna clean up my brush first, and then I'm gonna come back, do this other eyebrow same way I did this one, and I'm just gonna play music over this part because maybe maybe it's the same thing. If it's any different, I'll go ahead and mention that, but I really doubt it's going to be any different because I didn't see the tint in this wax at all, like on this side. That's probably as flat as they're gonna get because I've been over them a few times already, and these hairs over here are a little bit more stubborn. These are my related eyebrows, not my twin, not my identical twin eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Oh, what the hell? I'm so itchy. I feel like this one's a little crooked. Damn it. Okay, this is what my eyebrows are looking like from a distance. I really like the outcome of them. This one looks a little bit more feathered because the eyebrow hairs are actually a lot longer. So if you do the feathered eyebrow technique, make sure you're trimming your eyebrows so that they don't look too crazy. I know that some people like curve them, but my eyebrows are too they're too stubborn. They don't want to be like told what to do basically. So you gotta force them. You guys seen how I was using my hand? I don't see the biggest difference when it comes to the tinted brow wax or the clear brow wax. Tongue twister. I think they both performed the same. I didn't see a difference at all. You guys probably seen that on camera, that there's no big difference when it comes to the application process of both. I really did enjoy this brow pencil. I love that Colourpop is super affordable, and I really do like the fact that there are multiple shades of brown when it comes to the eyebrows, because girl, I would have probably picked brunette if I was shopping online, but I really like the color Hot Cocoa with my hair color. I think it looks the best. It applied really nice. I really enjoyed it. So I'll leave you guys here. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comments. If you guys have any questions for me, don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to reach some goals here in 2021, okay? Because 2020, I mean, I reached my goal subscriber count. And I'm so thankful for that, for all of you guys that do watch my videos, take time out of your day to sit down and just hang out with me. I'm going to leave you guys with my latest uploads linked right over here so you guys can continue to hang out with me, and also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but you should. You should. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.